You know that feeling when you see an amazing drone shot and wonder, how did they get that? Well, there's a good chance it was captured with something like the DJI Air 3S. The first time you fly this drone, you notice how smooth and easy everything feels. It lifts off quickly, stays steady in the air, and gives you the confidence to focus on getting the shot instead of worrying about the flight. What really makes the Air 3S stand out is the dual camera setup. The main camera is perfect for wide landscapes, while the telephoto camera lets you zoom in and capture details without getting too close. It gives you more creative options without carrying extra gear. The video quality is seriously impressive. Footage looks sharp, colors are rich, and everything has that clean, cinematic look people love. Even when the sun starts going down, the camera still does a great job holding on to detail. Battery life is another thing you'll appreciate. Instead of rushing every flight, you actually have time to explore different angles and take your time getting the perfect shot. If you're new to drones, the safety features make a big difference. The obstacle sensors help you avoid crashes, so flying feels much less stressful. So, who is the DJI Air 3S for? If you create YouTube videos, travel content, real estate videos, or just love capturing amazing aerial shots, this drone is definitely worth checking out. It delivers premium results without making flying complicated. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to Drone Dominator, and let me know in the comments which drone you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Alright, let me ask you something real quick. How many times have you been in the perfect moment, perfect location, perfect lighting, and there's nobody there to film you? No tripod, no cameraman, and you end up missing the shot. Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you, you don't actually need anyone anymore? No setup, no controller, nothing complicated. You just take this out of your pocket, place it on your hand, tap one button, and it literally flies up and starts filming you like it knows exactly what it's doing. Tracking you, framing you, getting angles that actually look like a professional shot 'em. Sounds crazy? Yeah, I thought the same thing. But this is the HoverAir X1 Pro. What's up, guys? And today we're checking out one of the smartest, most effortless flying cameras you can get right now. And I'm not gonna lie, this thing surprised me. First off, this thing is tiny. And I don't mean small for a drone, I mean actually pocket size. You can throw it in your pocket, walk out the door, and not even think about it. And that alone changes everything, because most drones feel like equipment. This feels like something you